Wait. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here and today, I'm gonna be playing chess about the new chess update about dogs and chess. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to beat every single one of them. So the first one is called Benji, the 417 elo. I can beat him. I can beat a 400 elo. Benji is the Bernedoodle of the international. I can't read. Sixth grader can't read. Okay. Benji's a Bernedoodle and international master of fetch, taking lesson from his dad, Gotham Chess. I don't care. Wait. Oh, okay, cool. So I'm gonna play the England Gambit. I'll play. It's blocking me. I'm gonna play Bishop here, E3 check, blocking it with the knight, sack Bishop onto there. It's a tree, yeah. Huh? This never gonna happen. Any push so like that, if he takes, I can just recapture. Either way, I could. What did he take? Oh. I'm not even supposed to be on this game mode. Alright, there we go. I just changed it, so I can't rewind. So, I didn't even know what happened at first because it was lag, but it was slow. You saw it. So, I'm going to play pawn to e4. He's going to play pawn to e5. So, I'm going to actually attack his pawn by moving my knight to f3. Pawn to h5, alright. Wait. Did he? You know what? I'm going to just play my bishop c4. Launch an attack. Threatening a fork. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, wait, I can't go. Okay, I forgot I can't go there. Yeah, water. Oh, wait a second. That's actually a good move. So like that, how his king is going to. This allows a check and forced to do that, but I'm a castle. Good. Still protecting that square. I need him to move his. What just happened? So, we're not gonna talk about what happened last game. So I'm gonna play my queen, but not queen. Queen's pawn opening. Oh, already launched an attack. I'm playing pyramid. Actually pretty good to move my horsey there. I'm gonna move horsey here to protect these two pawnies. I was supposed to pre-move. Oh, cool. I'm not that good at chess. You probably already knew that. I'm gonna move pawny boy right there. I want him to take. But he didn't. Because of that, I'm gonna add protection. And that allows me to castle. That also allows me to lose a not castle also. I'm gonna go right here to attack it. And it goes all the way across the board. That's awesome. I'm gonna move my... I almost moved my queen there. I almost lost my queen. But I'm gonna move my queen to a5. Castle. Castle also. How about I do this? King go there. If he takes, I'm not. Hold it. Wait a second. Hold it. It looks like I'm losing a rook. Or not. Am I really losing to a dog? That also puts an attack on the queen. Thanks. Oh dear. Let me attack queen. Sacks a queen. Horse, sack horse. Let me sack my knight. Push pawnry. Hold it. So let me sack my knight. Serious? Alright. Take my knight. That also works. Now let me move my rook right here. Check. Mate. Alright. Next block. 11 blunders, dear God. Alright. Ooh. I'm going up a 950. Wish boy. Are we searching for Blackbeards? Nope, we're not. Really? That was not supposed to happen. Have you ever heard? I wish I could. En passant. En passant. En passant. En passant. I like that. En passant. I'm looking for any attacks I could do. Nah. Can't find any. En passant. Take my bishop. No, you can't. You have to take with your horsey. So I recapture with my horsey. And then you take your queen. Push my penalty pawn and you take. Or do that. Actually, I'm gonna go right here. Oh. There was no way of getting out of that. You should have eaten your blueberry yogurt. I don't eat yogurt. Alright. I'm gonna try the scholar's name. This man's French? Take my horsey with your queen. What the actual check? Take my horsey with your queen. Yay! So now I'm gonna move this penalty pawnity that is not pinned. Then I move penalty. I almost move my penalty pawnity. On the bishity, bubbity. Launch attack on queen. I take queen. Now you take with your bishop. And now I move and sack the knight. You capture with your bishop. And now I move penalty pawnity right here to attack this knight right here. I do that, you take my pawn. Or not. Castle. Now this pawn is pinned. No! Ugh. That's disgusting. Ugh. Stupid horsey. Take my pawn with your horsey. To launch an... That also works. Yes. Take my queen. Sack the queen. He sacrifices the queen. And now I move my other rook to make a battery. That's a good move. Not only to launch an attack, to protect the square too. Check. Forced to take with the rook. To recapture with the other rook. To sack both rooks. And now to promote. And then it's gonna take. Or not. I wish I could en passant. En passant would be so cool. No! Stalemate. Epic stalemate. Epic stalemate. Yes. But I'm running out of time. It's already been 16 minutes into this video. So, bye, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm sorry I haven't been posting in a while. I just didn't know what to post, and I was just bored. And there was a reason behind why I haven't been posting in a while. Because Philadelphia has been basically scorched. Interstate 95 fell. There was smoke from Canada, and things like that. And not only that, we're ready to go on vacation because it's the summer. So yeah. So you're gonna expect me to not post much. Bye.